Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. Channel's Draft High Capture because that's generally what we like to do. And if you're not new here and you caught the video last week, then you know we got a bunch of rain recently. So I'm actually down in Hocking Hills right now. We're gonna hike out to this little cave that actually has a waterfall flowing over it. I've only ever seen it actually flowing one time, and it just so happened that that day I didn't have a single memory card on me for anything. So with all the rain recently, I'm hoping that we get some, nice shots, but won't really know until we get out there. So I'm gonna try to hustle up because the sun will also be setting in about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna try to hustle out there. So let's get going. Also, if at any point in this video you like what you see, make sure you let me know by hitting the thumbs up, commenting down below. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do so and follow along on all future journeys as well. All right, so this is exciting. Just passed a couple ladies that were hiking back out, and they said that it was should make for some good fall photos today, so that's exciting. I can't wait. So this is one of those times I wish I had the GoPro. We're going to climb up around that tree, up by that much bigger tree, and then come out down here. And I'm going to try to record as much as possible, but I also may need both hands. So let's see how this goes. Alright, now to climb down through there. It's honestly crazy how big that waterfall is. It's pretty awesome to finally be able to see it flowing like this. I've honestly, even the one time that I was here and got to see it flowing, it was not like this. So this is pretty awesome. Definitely worth the trip. it is 5:45, so the sun sets in like half an hour, and it's like a 15 to 20 minute hike back. So we better get going. That being said, I think I'm going to go this way. Decisions. Do I jump over here, jump onto that side of that rock, and then jump to ground? Or do I go over this, which is very steep, and just try to maintain along the ridge? Decisions. I think we're going to go this way and just try to stay on top of the ridge and then slide down to the tree. Yeah, that's the way we're going. Peach and cake. Too easy. And final step is crossing this super sus bridge. For anyone curious, yes, I am recording this because I guess it looks cool, but more so because if I fall, I want to have it on camera. Apparently someone said, nah, we're cool without those boots. Well, like I mentioned when I was out there, that was really awesome to finally be able to see that place, especially flowing like it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you let me know by hitting that thumbs up or commenting down below. Also, if there's anywhere you think I should check out, definitely let me know in the comments as well. And obviously, if you're not subscribed already, definitely do so. And I will see you guys next Saturday for the next video. See ya.